Born in St. Lucia, raised in the BX, moved down to Brooklyn. Do you know what this means? I split the M16s, won't stop till my wrist clean. Go against Double H your whole life, you're risking.
Yeah, this one goes out to everybody who ever left a comment. Everybody who told me I got what it takes. Thank you so much. I'm asking you to come join me. Come join me in my victory lap, baby. Yeah. Come join me in my victory lap. You the reason why I do it, you the reason why I rap. So come join me in my victory lap. I took it this far, I ain't never going back. No.
Great. Hood Hero ENT, mixed vibes, you already know. Make some noise, you're great. Yeah. Y'all listen to Bob Marley out here?
So we can parlay. Life is hard, you don't want to learn the hard way. I'm having a vision of Bob Marley, telling children with children stay out of harm's way. Saying doors will open so we can parlay. Life is hard, you don't want to learn the hard way. Nah, or you gon' feel it in the one drop. 6 people had to eat from that one pot. No money, so my family had to play crops. While you sitting watching games from the skybox. So I started thinking, how can I supply? No woman, no cries, till I see tears in my mama's eye. Feeling paralyzed, should I give up? Nah, got motivated and I tear the fucking piece up. Right, I'm having a vision of Bob Marley, telling children when children stay out of harm's way. Saying doors will open so we can parlay. Life is hard, you don't want to learn the hard way. I stopped dreams, made them my reality. What you experiencing is the greatest part of me. Music gets my blood flowing like my arteries. Yeah, you ought to see adventures like the Odyssey. Honestly, when my heart's at peace, I only hope the whole world remembers me for who I am and what I stand for. United we stand, so we don't stand far. I'm just saying I'm praying so we can get far. Don't be quick to point fingers when it's your 10-4. The higher we rise, the harder we fall. They say we only rap and play people, but even though success seems like a long shot, always knew in my heart it's a short shot. Get my music heard across the world and whatnot. How you feel now the underdog is on top? I gave you my life, I'm hoping that you don't forget about me. Shit, I'm walking to the light, I'm hoping that you don't forget about me. And even when I'm gone, just a memory. What I leave with you is my legacy. Everything was right, cause music is my life. I'm hoping that you don't forget about me. Yeah, can't forget about my past, it's the reason why I'm present. Music is my gift to you, I open up my present. Only hope you feeling me and my great presence. Life is too short, so I'm counting on my blessings. Can't forget about my past, it's the reason why I'm present. Music is my gift to you, I open up my present. Only hope you feeling me and my great presence. Life is too short.
Honestly, yo, my name speaks for itself, man. I goes in, G the Great. Hood Hero ENT. You can follow us on Twitter, Hood Hero ENT. Add us on Facebook, Hood Hero. Just Google Hood Hero, G the Great. You know, G Money, I can't leave without an acapella. I gotta show the world why I'm G the Great. Listen. Yo, Lord have mercy, Jesus Christ. Tell me why G the Great spit so precise. Way nice, but I'm underrated, Obi Trice. Got women feeling lucky like Kobe's wife, right? Most rappers be prototypes. Your life sweet, think you live in Zach and Cody's life. What? Huh? You call this life? You the boys in blue? You the police, right? Might come from the ghetto, but he knows his rights. And you got the right to not take my life. Well, hell. Look what they did to Sean Bell. They got a lot of stories in it, make the gun tell. Yeah, I say free Max, bigger fell. They segregate us by putting brothers in the jail. They don't want you to ride the wave and set sail. Don't want you to breathe, not even exhale. But I will say succeed, I will excel. Slowly creeping like they walking on eggshells. Leave the crime scene with excess shells. All I see on screen is that sex sells. Nigga, they don't promote real talent, only promote negativity and violence. It's like every day I'm hearing these sirens. That only means to my people we dying. They said we being defiant, but if my hands up, why you firing? Huh? They do more firing than hiring. On my materials, this haters be admiring. Listen, we dying slowly but surely. I know speaking the truth is gonna cost me, and the media thinking that they lost me, but I'm a boss, B, don't double cross me. Cheetah, great, Hood Hero ENC.
One time with Cheetah Great, baby, hold it down.
Real hip hop, real hip hop, real hip hop, real hip hop.
Yes, sir.
G-Money, man.
What up, man?
Third time in it, man. You wanna get off, man. Trust me. Purposely penetrating, physically paralyzing pussy. Pulling pennies partially, please pardon policies provided purposely. Polluting populations, people permanently poor. President preparing presently, prosecutors pronouncing penalties. Promoting passages, publicizing peace. Press pinpoint problems, plus provide people prints. Proving plagiarism perfectly. Persistently practicing pressure and procrastinators, perpetrators, punish pistols, planning premeditating. Police flash protection, proud people protesting. Persuasive plots, proving people's perspective. Picture perfect PowerPoint, but active progression. Pioneers bathe, prisoners brace pot. Parents purchasing Peter Parker's posters. Paid poorly, peer pressure playing PD Pack plus pen paper psychology. Cheetah Great. I have to do it.
Cheetah Great! Yeah!
Cheetah Great!
Mix Vibes Hood Hero ENC. Shout out to all the producers. Shout out to everybody that's giving us love, giving us the beats, everything we need to do. One love, you already know what it is. Mix Vibes Hood Hero ENC representing.
You already know, Cheetah Great, Hood Hero ENC. We just had a live performance at the Overtime concert. You know, I'm just here with friends and family. You know what I'm saying? Mix Vibes, Hood Hero ENC.
Hood Hero.
You already know, man.
Word, we up in here, man. It's a walking memorial right here. Pay attention, you understand what I'm saying?
Good time.
Yo, Cheetah Great, man. You know you always deliver that fire, man. We out here supporting my boy, you know what I mean?
Hood Hero TV.
Yeah! Double H, bitch!
I'm asking you to come join me. Come join me in my victory lap, baby. Yeah. Come join me in my victory lap. You the reason why I do it, you the reason why I rap. So, come join me in my victory lap. I took it this far, I ain't never going back, no. Come join me in my victory lap. You the reason why I do it, you the reason why I rap. So, come join me in my victory lap. I took it this far, I ain't never going back.